Let's make this creamy restaurant-style pasta. Ingredients you need are chopped tomato, capsicum, and onion, 2 cups of pasta, small pieces of chicken, grated garlic, chili flakes, salt, red chili, and black pepper, all-purpose flour, and milk. Add oil, salt, and pasta in water and boil it. Add oil to the pan, sauté chopped garlic. Add chicken and cook on high flame. Add chopped veggies and sauté well. Add spices and cook on high flame. Adding just a little water. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. In the same pan, melt butter and add garlic again for flavor. Add 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. If you like extra sauce, then you can add 2 tablespoons. Slowly pour 1 cup milk. Keep stirring to avoid lumps. Add salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. Creamy white sauce is ready. Add back the chicken and veggie mix. Add boiled pasta and toss everything together. Coat well and cook for a minute. Dish out the pasta. So creamy, so flavorful, totally worth it.